In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a rear wheel liner on a Honda CR-V, which is located behind the rear wheel. After you raised and supported your vehicle safely, you need to take off your 5 lug nuts. These are 19mm lug nuts. Take your wheel off, put it off to the side. After you remove your wheel, you're going to have to remove this fender piece here. It's held on by a bunch of Phillips screws. You can start off at the bottom down here. One right above it. One right here. 2 screws back here. You have 1 plastic fastener back here. Just pull straight down. To remove this piece, you need to open the door. Take this plastic piece here and pull straight out towards you. It's just held on by some clips behind it. And that's your piece. We're going to start off by taking these 2 Phillips screws out on the left-hand side. Then we're going to go up to this push button right here. These come out sometimes in 2 pieces, but this one came out in 1. Peel it back a little bit. Then we're going to go up to our 10mm bolt right there. Peel this down a little. Then over to the top here for this push button clip. Then over to here for another push button clip. Then over to these 2 screws. Then we peel our wheel liner down. Put it off to the side. It's a little tech tip for you. If you take your plastic piece here, this little mud flap, and just install it first before you put your wheel liner on, line this bolt hole up with this tab, put your screw in. That's going to help in the process of putting this wheel liner in and lining these 2 holes up, as this piece will already be here. Just tighten it by hand. Set it in there. Take your wheel liner, you want to get it inside this lip here first. Pull it down, line up your hole here. You can put your tab in here first. Start by putting this Phillips screw in the back side over here. Tighten it, but don't tighten it down all the way. And now over to this screw here. Don't tighten it all the way. Put your push pin here. Make sure that's locked in. Now up top here, put your push pin in, make sure it's locked. Another push pin here. Make sure that's locked. And you have one down here on the bottom on the right. Make sure it's locked in. And you have your Phillips screw on the right hand side on the bottom. Start that by hand. Tighten that down. Put your 10mm bolt back up here. Now your 2 Phillips screws on the left, on the bottom. Tighten your other Phillips. Your trim piece has these clips. These clips go in these holes, so you just have to line those up. Push towards the vehicle. Make sure those are all clipped in all the way around. Make sure that's nice and flush all the way around. Now you can put back your Phillips screws. One down on the left, one up top. Tighten those both. Put your mud flap up. You have your 1 fastener in the back that goes straight up. Like that. Then your 2 Phillips screws in the front of your mud flap. Tighten those. Take your wheel, put it over your lug nut studs. Put your lug nuts on by hand. Give those a snug. After you lower your vehicle and your tire's on the ground, you want to torque these wheel lug nuts at 80 foot-pounds in a star pattern.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.